In today's episode, we are flying out to Louisville, Kentucky, and from there we are taking a rental car to Evansville, Indiana. We are flying out here to do an inspection for one of our best clients in Norway that found a 1959 Chevrolet Biscayne he's interested in. Right guys, so we made it to Kentucky. Now Chris is getting the rental car together, and then we have a 2 hours drive to check out this 59 Biscayne.
Big thank you to Alamo for the free upgrade. Definitely helped us make this trip more enjoyable, driving back and forth in that Audi.
We are halfway to where the car is gonna be. And I'm pretty impressed by the Audi. It's pretty nice. I haven't driven it myself, but Chris drove it here. And now it's my turn to get hands on it. So we had about 2 hours drive to Evansville, Indiana.
A trip we would take a lot more than we thought.
How you doing?
Good. It's warm up here as it is down there.
It's
Hotter.
Hotter. Good.
Sam,
Sam,
nice to
hey.
meet you.
Priscilla.
Priscilla?
Nice to meet you. Oh,
Here she is, huh?
There she is.
Here she is.
Oh yeah, baby, look at that! Here we're talking a real time travel. Whew. Somebody put in this gorgeous interior in it, even though I like original better. But we took that 6-cylinder for a spin, and damn, did we have a good time of one. So I definitely think this the beauty here coming with us. We have a deal.
You did?
Okay,
yes.
cool.
Oh, so
We flew,
we drove
rode a train.
and we purchased and gave back.
Yeah, so we just left.
And everything looks good, but we have a little situation with a VIN description-y.
Vin, and I done forgot it.
See what I mean?
VIN discrepancy.
We are not 100% sure about the VIN number is correct on this car. We're gonna go back to the hotel and take a moment, call some good friends of ours that are very good with the 59s, just to make sure everything is 100%.
Because the last thing we want to do is buy a car with a VIN discrepancy. And it's after hours, so we're not able to verify the VIN. So we're going to do that first thing in the morning, and we don't fly out till noon. So
We have plenty of time before.
yeah, we'll just wake up at like crack of dawn.
Crack it down!
Gobble, gobble!
Gobble, gobble! Oh, we have 1 mile left on this road.
Hallelujah! That was scary as shit. You're like, what if we meet somebody? I don't like this street. And at the bottom of this crazy road is the Caesars Casino that we ended up staying at for the night. It was the cheapest around, but I think they want you to spend your money downstairs. Jeez, this bed is so comfortable.
Oh, this is pretty comfortable, really.
It's so nice. Good morning.
Good morning!
We're headed back to buy the Biscayne.
Yes. So we double checked everything, verified everything, called a bunch of our friends, and
The VIN is good.
now we're going back before we're flying out here today. So we are in a little bit of a hurry,
Yeah.
but I think we're gonna make it.
I hope we make it.
We-
There's not another flight till tomorrow.
he dropping his daughter off, and then he coming
to meet us. About 25 minutes, 30 minutes away from his house, so it gives us a little bit less to drive.
And we didn't think about that it has a time change.
Oh yeah.
When we're driving between where we stay and where he lives. So all of a sudden we are in a really big hurry and lost like an hour.
Yeah.
No, this time change gets me so messed up. We're just really
trying to be careful to figure it out. Like, by the time we get there, we get back, the time will change, what time will it be, or we'll be able to make our flight.
Drop off the car, hopefully everything goes smooth. But we are on the way there.
Okay, so we got it.
Yes, everything worked out. He met us there.
Now we get to go home.
As long as we don't miss the flight.
Hopefully not. Let's speed.
Kick it. Woo!
Thanks for this.
Here is the traffic.
Or maybe you have a machine gun. How do we know?
So we're on our way to Orlando. We made it to Louisville. So that's what 48 hours in our life looks like.
It's quite different.
So yeah, it was a successful trip.
And if you guys like these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and
We'll see you in the next one.
we have a lot of them coming too.
Yeah, we got a lot of editing to do.
So here is basically what we do, guys. We find, inspect, buy, negotiate, and ship cars worldwide. This specific one went to Norway, and here is some footage from when they picked it up.